Hello, everyone. Welcome back to your favorite place, Learning Studio Zone. To learn English naturally, easily, and most importantly, confidently. Today I'm going to share 15 powerful daily use English words that will make you sound fluent and smart in every conversation. So, let's get started. 15 daily use. Advanced words with examples. 1. Nonetheless shows contrast like but or however. For example, it was raining. Nonetheless, they went for a walk. 2. In fact, used to emphasize something true or surprising. For example, I thought it was difficult. In fact, it was quite easy. 3. In the meantime, during a pause or waiting period. For example, dinner isn't ready yet. In the meantime, let's watch TV. 4. All of a sudden, something happens quickly or unexpectedly. For example, all of a sudden the lights went out. 5. By the way, used when changing the topic or adding something, for example. By the way, did you talk to Sarah today? 6. As a result, to show cause and effect. For example, he didn't study. As a result, he failed the test. 7. From now on, starting now and continuing in the future. For example, from now on, I'll wake up early and study regularly. 8. Let's suppose, used to imagine or guess a situation. For example, let's suppose you won the lottery. What would you do? 9. So far, until now. For example, so far we've learned 30 new English words. 10. That's why used to explain a reason. For example, I slept late. That's why I'm feeling tired. 11. To explain or clarify what you said. For example, he's a bit strange. He doesn't talk much. 12. In my opinion, to share your personal view. For example, in my opinion, learning English is a life skill. 13. On the other hand, to present a different point of view. For example, he's smart. On the other hand, he's very lazy. 14. At least, the minimum expected or positive side of something. For example, I didn't win, but at least I tried. 15. Believe it or not, to introduce something surprising. For example, believe it or not, he taught himself to speak English fluently. Jenny's story. Practicing these words in real life. Let me tell you about Jenny, an English learner just like you. Jenny used to struggle with expressing ideas clearly. She knew grammar, she knew vocabulary, but her speech felt flat. Then she discovered the power of connecting words and expressions like the ones we learned today. She started using sticky notes, just like before. She placed phrases like, in fact, that's why, and from now on, near her mirror and laptop. She practiced sentences out loud every day. When her teacher asked about her homework delay, she replied, I was sick. That's why I couldn't finish it. During a conversation with a friend, she said, from now on, I'll spend 1 hour daily practicing English. The result? People noticed her fluency, her confidence, and how natural she sounded. Jenny no longer just spoke English. She lived it. Conclusion. Pick 5 of these words today. Practice them, speak them, own them. And like Jenny, you'll see a big change in your fluency. Don't wait. Speak today. Speak now. Your English journey starts with one word. And that word is confidence. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.